How to add text-to-speech to Canva videos. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add text-to-speech to Canva videos. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Canva and then open the file you want to add text-to-speech in. Now, in order to add text-to-speech to Canva videos, you will have to open a new tab and type in voicemaker.in. Now, in the text box you see here, type in your text. Once you are done typing your text, you can tap on the change option you see there if you want to make changes to your audio settings. Once you are done making the necessary changes, tap on the submit button and further tap on the convert to speech button you see there. Your text will now be converted. Once converted, tap on the download button you see there. Wait for the download to complete and now go back to Canva. Here on the left side toolbar, tap on the upload option and then select the audio option. Now, tap on the upload files option and select the audio that you just downloaded and further tap on open. And now as you can see, the audio has been added to the video successfully. So this is how you can add text-to-speech to Canva videos. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.